Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Manang Sawing TV. Nandito ng aking menu, bihon, pakbit, ampalaya with egg, at saka pork chop, and also the chicken and pork and fish, and also the munggo and the rice and munggo. Tinolang isda at saka sisig at saka rice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.